How to create one-page landscape in Word. Hi guys, this is what a one-page landscape look like in Microsoft Word. Usually we do this to display images or tables better. In this video, you'll learn what section breaks are and how to create one-page landscape in Microsoft Word. First off, section breaks are used to divide the document into sections. Once the section breaks are applied, you can now format each section separately. So using section breaks, we are able to make only one-page landscape like this. There are many ways to utilize section breaks. You can try them out and get creative, but sadly we won't be able to discuss them in this video. However, we might be able to make more content about this sooner. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. That's it for this video. I hope you are able to follow through. And if you enjoyed the video, consider giving the channel a subscription. It's free. And click on the like button. This helps the video reach people in need like you. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.